Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by softening the cream cheese so it whips smoothly. Cold blocks cause lumps. Cut 8 Oz into 1-inch cubes and let sit 20-30 minutes, or microwave 5-8 seconds if short on time. Put cubes in a chilled bowl and begin mixing on low to combine, scraping the bowl once. Once the base is cohesive, add 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tsp vanilla, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. These help flavor and stabilize the texture as you increase speed. You move from low to medium-high speed to aerate without overworking. Start slow for 30-45 seconds, then increase until the mixture looks light and homogeneous. If you want silkier, lighter whipped cream cheese, slowly stream in 2-4 tablespoon heavy cream while mixing. Cream adds air and softens density. Taste as you go and adjust sweetness with more sugar or brightness with lemon. A pinch of salt balances flavors. Make sure to stop and scrape the sides so everything whips evenly. You finish by transferring the whipped cream cheese to a container and chilling it 30-60 minutes so it firms and flavors integrate. Chilling also stabilizes the aeration. Label and store airtight up to 5 days, and stir gently before serving if it firms too much. If it becomes grainy, watery, or split, stop and chill for 10 minutes, then re-whip briefly or blend in 1-2 tablespoon cold heavy cream to bring it back together. This rescues texture without losing flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.